This is a 3D-printed titanium femoral knee implant, manufactured by Croom Medical. Designed and built to support bone ingrowth and give patients the freedom to move again. Today, it is going somewhere few medical devices have ever been. The lattice gives bone a scaffold for integration. Using Renishaw's AM software, every layer of the build is mapped and visualized before printing begins. It is then produced on a Renishaw additive manufacturing system. Because when what you make goes inside the human body, every detail matters. The care that goes into a knee implant is the same care that goes into aerospace engineering. Every measurement checked. Every process proven. Every component made by people who understand what is at stake. Titanium. Trusted inside the human body. Trusted in extreme environments. A material that connects two engineering worlds. A spacecraft built for a single purpose. Atmospheric conditions modeled. Tracking validated. Ascent, descent, and recovery calculated. And when everything checks out, we launch. At peak altitude, the balloon separates. The spacecraft falls back to Earth at over 250 miles per hour, tracked by GPS and radio until the recovery team reaches the landing site. The real story was never about how high it traveled. It is about what it took to get there. The design, the manufacturing, the people behind every stage, decades of expertise, extraordinary precision, and the belief that something created to improve human life deserves to be seen by the world.